Mayfield. It is Monday, April 6th, 2020. How are you? Friday, I put that special discussion problem of the day where I asked if you would be willing to create an equation whose answer you thought was my new age, since Friday was my birthday. And I got so many fun equations, so thank you very much. One person's answer actually was my age. The rest of you, thank you, all thought that I am younger than I actually am, but I think that's thanks to you. I think being around young people keeps you young. We will be having more information this week from all of your teachers about how the online learning is going to start. We're going to have a practice next week. I have my student helper Gabriel here, whose hand is in the air.
What's up, my peeps?
He's saying hello, and Gabriel is actually going to help us with this problem. We're going to have an assignment, I think, on the 20th, but nothing we do right away you need to worry about as far as grading, okay? Everything is really just to introduce you to the format and just to keep us all connected and working together. And I hope that you're well. I hope that you're staying safe. I hope you're getting some fresh air each day. And I hope you're looking out for your families. Okay, so like I said, lots of fun equations, and thank you. It did help make my day special. This was one by a DT, so thank you. And I loved it because we can do it in all of our classes, and it also brings in that proportional reasoning piece. So I'm going to paraphrase the question, which was that a line does not go through the origin, but instead goes through point 0, and then a DT used 2 exclamation points. And we're going to try to solve for those. And a DT said there were some other points on the line, 154, 281, and 562. So the first thing I thought of is, well, let's take those points and write them into a table of values. So we don't know what the y value is when x is 0. But we know when 1 is x, y is 54. When x is 2, y is 81. And when x is 5, y is 162. So Gabriel, do you have the envelope?
Yes, I do.
So Gabriel did some subtraction for us and said, well, 81 minus 54 is 27. Which means if I do 54 minus 27, that's going to give me this value. It should also mean that if I add 27 to 81 and get 108, and I add 27 again and get 135, and then if I add 27 again, I should get 162. So if I was to subtract 54 minus 27, Gabriel, do you want to do that for us real quick?
Yes, okay. I will.
And then you can pass it to me when you're done. While Gabriel's figuring out that answer, the other thing I noticed was I could take these points and I could graph them. So what I noticed was that 54 and 81 were both multiples of 9. So I went ahead and I used my x-axis increasing by 1, because my x values are increasing by 1. And my y values I decided to increase by 9. And remember, your x and your y axes do not have to have the same intervals. Just make sure whatever intervals you use, they're evenly spaced. So I graphed 2 of the points. I graphed 154 and I graphed 281. And now that I have a few more points, I could graph them some more if I wanted. Gabriel, with the envelope, Gabriel subtracted 54 minus 27 and also got 27. So according to this equation, my age would be 27. If I use my straight edge and I line up the points that I have and I connect them and extend the line, then I should also get down to 27. Very good. So great way to solve that problem using both the table of values and what we know about plotting points. I am not 27, but I was 27 a while ago. It was a good year. And this is going to be a new and exciting year for all of us, isn't it? Hope to see you soon. Special thank you for Gabriel. Do you want to say goodbye, Gabriel? Nicely.
Bye-bye.
Oh, there's Gabriel's nose. Bye, everybody. Be well.